This is your sign mga Zay na you should use products na mga anti-wrinkle, anti-aging as soon as possible. As early as now mga Zay. Of course, anti-aging. Sino ba naman ang hindi gusto nun, di ba? Yung parang yung skin natin hindi tumatanda, yung edad lang. Huy! By the way guys, this is Venature or Venature, I don't know how to pronounce it. Rejuvenating serum. So ito yung guys. And also the ingredients, makikita nyo sa likod. This contains water, retinol, bakuchiol, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, amino acid, ceramide, green tea leaf extract, and seed oil. So as you can see, maganda yung mga ingredients nila. And yung gusto ko lang talaga dito is yung anti-aging effect niya. Kasi yun yung target ko na mga skincare. Kasi parang tumatanda na ang inyong mom, Shikars, for today's video. And gusto ko ma-maintain yung ganito lang na itsura. As much as possible, gusto ko ma-prolong siya yung beauty. Yung beauty, huy! Actually guys, gusto ko talaga ma-prolong yung bata ko na aura mga Zay. Kasi sino na ba nang hindi, diba? So, if you want to purchase, nakita ko lang din to sa TikTok and I did my research. So, kayo na bahala if you will try it also. Bye!